A smile means that you're comfortable about yourself. If you're not able to smile or you're not comfortable about your smile, it's very hard to function, it's very hard to get a job, it's very hard to have personal life. Patients can become hermits because of how self-conscious they are about their smile. By restoring their natural, beautiful smile, we can give them their life back. When a patient comes back for the follow-up appointment and they can see a sparkle in their eyes and they smile the widest they ever smiled because they're so proud about their new teeth. After practicing for about 10 years, I realized that some of my best cases were the ones when I was able to collaborate with other dentists. This is how the idea of synergy came about.
Once I walked in here, I realized that everything was going to be just fine. I felt like I was in really great hands, and it was a simple procedure. And he was so personable and so nice to deal with and so caring.
I was especially impressed by Dr. Polyakov's confidence and ease. He knew what he was doing.
The very first thing a new patient will notice when they step a foot in our new office is how friendly and welcoming our team members are. It is normal to be anxious about dental and specifically oral surgery procedure. Let me assure you that we'll provide you with exceptional care, and no matter how small or how large your procedure will be, you're going to leave our office satisfied.
The staff is so welcoming and loving. Dr. P is so knowledgeable, and he answers like all your questions. He makes you feel so comfortable, and like he'll call at the end of your surgery and he'll be like, oh, what's going on? Like, how are you feeling? How was it? And he checks up on you periodically, and it's really nice to know that he actually cares about how you're doing and how you're recovering.
One of the things that shocked me about the procedure was that it was very simple and quick.
At Synergy Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Center, we provide you a perfect blend of care and technology. We pride ourselves by providing passionate care to our patients. We are there for them from start to finish. And even after the treatment is finished, we're still there for them to provide ongoing care.
They've really changed my life, and I just want to encourage other people to come here too, because it's safe and inviting, and they'll take your pain away.
I take pride in changing patients' lives. I give them the ability to smile, chew, and be whole again.